Hello everyone, I am Tamil AR from PGP 2022 batch of IIM Trichy. The topic I'm gonna speak today for my IEP project is India's fight against black money. First, we look into what is black money. The money earned through illegal ways and the money earned without paying taxes is called as black money. Black money doesn't always stay black. If a parent uses his black money to pay his child's fee, it becomes white money in the hands of a school owner. But if the school owner doesn't pay his taxes, it becomes black money. So, the loopholes causing the formation of the black money are the lack of effective punishments for those who do not pay the taxes. The government doesn't have a proper track of who pays taxes, who doesn't pay, and how they're going to punish them. And the Benami Transactions Prohibition Act in 1988 wasn't implemented till 2060. If this would have implemented before, it would have played a major role in preventing the formation of black money. Once in a while, the tax evaders are given a chance to display their income without facing punishments. It removed the fear of punishment in them. And the long process to pay taxes and to file tax returns is deterring some people from paying taxes. Some people are not even sure of why these taxes are paid and what are the purpose of these taxes and how these tax would help Indian economy to revive. So, what is Indian government actually doing to counter all these things? So, there are some institutions in India which would curb the formation of the black money. Some of them are the Indian Tax Department. So, this creates a positive environment for paying taxes. It blocks all the opportunities for black money formation. The next is the Enforcement Directorate. This also works to curb the money laundering. Next is the Financial Intelligence Unit. It works to eliminate the terrorism financing, counterfeit currency, hawala money, and money like these. The Central Board of Excise and Customs ensures that central excise tax and services tax are paid. It alters other institutions about the ways people are using to escape from taxes. The Central Economic Intelligence Bureau lists out the tax evasioners, and the Central Bureau of Investigation acts against corruption and illegal money. The Benami Act 2016 is strengthened through the amendment after 1988, and the Black Money Act of 2015 is also helping Indian economy and the Indian government to look into all these people who have black money and provide correct punishment for them. As all these institutions and laws are failed to curb black money formation, Indian government demonetized higher denomination currency notes all of a sudden on one day in the year of 2016. This move was taken because a lot of black money is kept by the tax evaders in higher denomination notes. And based upon this assumption, the demonetization was taken in 2016. Indian government is also taking steps to make things easier for cashless transactions as that will ensure transparency. But leaving all these things, what still needs to be done? So the punishments for not paying taxes should be really severe, and there is also lack of human resources in the institutions that are working towards curbing black money. More skilled and ethical people needs to be recruited. Voluntary disclosure of income schemes will only encourage the formation of black money because tax evaders are in the opinion that they can disclose their income in the next scheme and can be forgiven. And the awareness programs about paying taxes should also be conducted, and the effects of not paying taxes on the Indian economy should also be taught to the common public. Tax processes and how these are calculated should be made transparent and easier for the common people. Till 2016, there were no effective steps to eradicate black money. In the year of 2016, Indian government has become tough against tax evaders and is taking effective steps to completely eliminate the black money. It still needs to be done more and need to take steps to avoid the inconvenience to the commoners. Hope once the effect of black money on the Indian economy is removed, Indian economy can revive from all the effects it has faced due to the economic slowdown of these years and also the COVID-19. Thank you for watching.